Hello, all of you. Every time you open YouTube, Instagram, Google, or even this video that you are currently watching on YouTube, someone is there who asking you for data and someone else is providing back to you. But at this point of time, we actually don't know who is who. Like, is your phone the client or is YouTube the server? And what actually happens between them? Today, let's uncover this simple conversation happening behind almost everything you do online. So let's imagine you are on your phone and you open YouTube. Alright, you tap on a video and suddenly the video starts playing. That's the natural thing, we all know. But pause for a second here. Who asked for that video? Was it YouTube? Or was it your phone? Exactly. Your phone, or more specifically, if I try to say the app running on your phone is the client. It sends a request saying, I want this video and just give it to me. That request travels across the internet until it reaches the appropriate server, and then the server sends the data back by processing the request. So we have got two important layers, client and server. Next time you open a website, ask yourself first, am I requesting something or providing it? And if you are requesting it, you are probably the client. So what exactly is a client? Let's just see. A client is a device or application that requests a service or data from a server. Your smartphone can be a client, your laptop can also be a client, and even your web browser can act as a client. For example, you type on your web browser youtube.com. Your browser sends a request. You click a video, your browser requests that video. You search for something, your browser requests the search results online. So remember one simple word. Client is nothing but the requester. It asks, can you give me this that I want? Alright. Now let's meet the other side of this concept, the server. So a server is a computer or a system that provides data or services to clients. It can store enormous amounts of information. It can also process requests and it can send responses back to you. So when you request a YouTube video, the server finds the required data, processes the request and sends the information back to your device. And just think of this conversation like this. Client will ask, I want this. Server will respond, here you go. And that's the basic relationship. Client request and server just responds. Let's make this impossible to forget. Imagine you are sitting in a restaurant and you want to eat a burger. You tell the waiter, I would like to have a burger please. And that's your request. You are done with your request, right? You are the client. The kitchen receives your order. You prepares the food and sends it back to you. The kitchen is acting like the server. Your order is the request and the food, that means your burger, is the response that you get as a result. And that's basically the pattern happening when you visit websites and applications online. So here is a quick test. When you order something online, are you the client or the server? Think about it and tell me your answer in the comment sections, please. Now let's put everything together. You open an application or website. Your device acts as the client. Remember this. It sends a request and that request travels through the internet and reaches to a specific server. The server, which is on the other end, processes the request and sends a response back to the client. Your client receives the response and shows you the result. So remember this simple pattern. Client, request, server, response, and then again client. And we have just solved one important mystery. But there is still one question here. How exactly does the client communicate with the server? What rules do they follow when sending requests and responses? Are there any rules? And that's where things get really interesting, because the answer is yeah, there is a concept called as HTTP and HTTPS. In the next video, we will simply discover what these mysterious terms actually mean and why that little "s" in HTTPS is so important. If you learned something new today, make sure to like the video, subscribe to CodePaath and share this with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.